Merlin here again. Okay, I'm happy to say that I've cut the front nose off and my calculations are right, and we will actually be able to install a lift engine in here. We've actually got 34 inches to the very front, so from back there. And we only need 25 inches to do a lift engine. Well, 24 inches, so that would put the center of our lift fan right about here. And shoot, look there. That looks like they'd even clear that breather pipe. It'll be close, but it'll work. We can make this work. What I got to do is, this is all foam. Thought it was fiberglass at first. Thank God it's just foam because I cut a little chunk out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all this foam out so I can actually put a level plate across here made out of nylon fiberboard, and I'm going to reinforce it with some cross pieces to reinforce it. And then I'll be able to mount my engine right on top of it with my lift duct, and it should work. There's no reason it shouldn't work. Main thing will be filling in back there at the back good. Got plenty of room for my instruments, so that works out nicely. And yeah, this is gonna work out pretty nice, I believe. So yeah, for those who might not have been following along, we're going to be installing a lift engine into a 1989 Hoverstar 2+2. So stay tuned, it's going to get interesting.